you guys, so we're gonna do a lower leg wax with roll-on soft wax. I'm gonna use our Cera Azul, so the blue roll-on. I've already prepped her skin with our purple gel and I've let it dry. Make sure you let it dry fully so that your wax doesn't roll and it can stick to those hairs the right way. So the way you want to hold your warmer is with the Starpil logo outward. So you notice this roller has like an angle. You want to make sure the angle is downward, outward with the hair growth. So I'm going to start at the highest point and I'm going to do it quickly, just like that. I'm just going to go in the entire leg. This is the most effective and time-saving way to do it. Rather than do wax strip, just roll onto the entire leg, or at least the first half, the upper half, and you'll save a lot of time, which is money. So the roll-on warmer is cool because it actually does not have a temperature dial like all of our other Starpil warmers. But that's because the heating unit that it comes on heats to the perfect temperature already. So you don't even need to mess with it. You just need to plug it in, let it melt all the way, and you're good to go. So I know you can use the strip a few times in a row. I'm just gonna use it about twice, because she has a lot of hair. Don't want to have her legs sticky from the same strip. This is her first leg wax ever. Awesome. This is definitely one of my favorite methods for legs, chest and back as well. It's just really easy, it's really quick, and that's probably the most important thing, the time saving, because you know, you want to fit in, be able to see as many clients as possible. Take some of this excess sauce here. Let's get this over here on the knee. So look at the upper half. I'm gonna go in with a tweezer to take this hair out here. Boom. And remember, you guys, with the soft wax, you're not gonna want to go over same place twice. I know with the roll-on it's tempting because it's so easy to use and to cover area, but look at that, just like that. I'm gonna go in with some post apple oil and our post emulsion lotion. Do lotion first. Some oil in there. We'll show you guys the back side in just a second. Beautiful.